And you begin to move idly and easily down the path now. The grass springs under your feet, pushing you encouragingly towards your destination. And you catch the faint smell of the salt, borne in on the gentlest of breezes. And you stroll down, down, down the winding path. Smoothly, easily, you feel relaxed, centered, and more fully in control. Becoming aware now of a growing calm within you as you stop to look at the beautiful flowers growing each side of the path. Colours so vivid, colours so bright. Poppy red, marigold orange, corn yellow, and china blue. The green leaves against the pure white petals of the daisies, and purple, so striking, so beautiful. And a feeling of wonderment flows through you as you continue now down the path,